Hi, this is Christina right here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I'm super excited that you inquired about a Kona. I have one pulled up right here just for you to take a look at. This one has an beautiful honeycomb grille with our wraparound LED headlights and daytime running lights. Premium alloyed wheels with our nitrogen-filled tires, external turn indicator signals. Come on in, let's take a peek. Beautifully designed interior with heated seats, 7-inch screen backup cam that comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle also comes with our Blue Link service as well as a sport mode. But not to top all of that off is our warranty. It has a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover loved it so much we doubled it to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat a warranty like that anywhere. And you're going to love this amazing new Kona. Give me a call at 205-314-0301. My name is Christina. Let me show you how you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.
David Strong, 7712, David 7712.